Hi, my name is Ankur and I'm working in hotel industry and I'm in Pune since last 13 years. I was facing some problems in my knee, right knee earlier, and it was around 15 years back or 18 years back. I was facing this problem since my graduation days, and it was so severe that whenever the pain was arising in my right knee, I was not able to walk. I was not able to even sleep. So whatever position my knee was in, it was like that only, and I was not able to move also. So in year 2006, my right knee was operated. I had a surgery, and after that, in that surgery also, my doctor says that it may be possible that I have to get operated in every 5 years. It can be a permanent problem for my right knee. At the time, the surgery was done, and it all went smooth. After that, I never faced problem in my right knee. But some time back, can say that around 2 years back, I started having the same problem in my left knee again, in the left knee also. So I consulted the same doctor who has operated my right knee. He sits in Delhi. So he did some X-rays and some tests of my left knee. I did my CT scan of left knee, and then he told me that I have to go under double surgery. It will be orthoscopy plus open surgery, and expense was used. It is not about expense. The problem was that I don't want to do open surgery for my right knee, because he was saying that there will be some plates which he will place in my left knee, and I was not ready for that. And then one of my very close friend, my childhood friend, suggested me homeopathic Dr. Dipanshu in Pune itself, where I am based. So he told me that I should consult him before doing anything, and he can cure. Firstly, I was thinking that, the CT scan which I have done for my left knee, it showed that my ligament has been broken of left knee. So I was just thinking how homeopathy can cure my broken ligament. And at the time I was not able to move. I was bedridden for at least 15 days. Then I visited Dr. Dipanshu, and he gave me a medicine of around 15 days. But within 4-5 days only, I was able to walk. And after 15 days, I was walking like nothing has happened, and it was okay for me, good. And before this ligament was broken, I was doing running of at least 8.5 kilometers per day, non-stop. So because I wanted to lose some weight also, so I was doing that. It was stopped. I was gaining weight. Then Dr. Dipanshu told me, just wait for some time, get your knee cured for some time. It should get some power back, and then you can start doing exercise again and running again. And this is the can say that this case happened in the month of June 2017. Then I had his medicine entire July 2017, and on August 8th I joined gym back. I joined gym, and since then I am having his medicine, and I am not facing a single problem. I am doing running of 6.5 kilometers per day, and with my knee I am lifting weight of around 150 to 100 kgs in my gym, and I have shared my video also with Dr. Dipanshu. problem. I'm just continuing the medicine because it is, can say that, four four pills, sweet pills. So it will not make any difference for me to have those pills every day rather than opening my knee in the surgery. So I don't want to do that, and this medicine has done wonder for me. And now all my family members consult him for any problem. I do believe that homeopathy can cure everything, anything. Thank you.